Hello, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing, and today we're going to talk about furnace inspections and why you should get one. Basically, a furnace inspection is to ensure that your furnace is working properly. Make sure there's no unsafe conditions about it. And also, furnaces need to be cleaned, filters need to be checked. You need to be able to do a carbon monoxide test on the furnace to make sure it's putting out no carbon monoxide. This is very, very important. But also just to check how the furnace itself is running. Sometimes you can buy a furnace and it was, let's say you bought it from someplace that was at sea level. And it could have been brought here, and where the gas jets shoot into your furnace, the orifice, the hole inside those gas jets need to be calibrated for the elevation that you live. Say here in Albuquerque, they're set for about 5,000 to 5,500 feet. It's just a different size hole that allows the correct amount of gas to go through for the atmosphere. And what we do is we look at it. If you got a really nice blue, pretty flame that's not jumping around, it's probably calibrated just right. If the flame is really yellow, it either needs to just be cleaned or it could have the wrong size orifices in it. We check that. We also check to make sure your thermostat's working correctly. Do this with a gauge that says what temperature the room is when the thing shuts off, and we can calibrate that also. If you're selling a home, it's very good to have that furnace inspected. If you're buying a home, you definitely want to have all major appliances inspected to make sure there's no problems with it. This is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing, letting you know that we do heater inspections, and we tell you that it's good to go, or maybe it needs some attention. I thank you very much and have a great day.